What's for breakfast this morning, baby?
Some eggs teenie.
Eggs teenie?
Yeah.
Your version of eggs Benny?
Yeah. Well, we gotta work with what we've got.
Yeah.
Eggs and
That's about it?
no, I think we have a can of baked beans somewhere.
Eggs and beans.
Yeah. I mean, there it is.
The eggs?
The eggs and the beans.
And the beans.
Should be pretty tasty. It's a nice day. Well, it's going to get
cool
a bit
in the
hot.
morning.
Probably like 16 degrees now,
But
which
it gets...
is blazing hot compared to what we've been used to.
Yeah, I know. But it's going to get up to 31 today.
Yeah, so first day wearing shorts.
Yeah, shorts and singlets today. The pasty white skin's going to get to see the sun. So
we'll have to wear some 50 plus.
Yeah, lots of sunblock.
Lots of 50 plus. Feel that. It's the perfect temperature right about now.
She's saying that Tina's enjoying the warmth from her cuppa on her lap.
And the cool air is gone, the sun's out.
In about 1 hour, she's going to be complaining about the heat.
But right now, I'm living it up.
Yeah, you get these moments of perfect temperature.
Yeah.
Ready for our day out.
Yep, off to do the gorge tour. We've heard from a few people now that it's
meant to be good.
yeah, so
if it's not, we're going to be disappointed. We got to Mount Surprise.
to our surprise.
To our surprise, there's no fuel.
There's no fuel.
The unleaded fuel pump is out of order until tomorrow.
Why didn't we fill up in Georgetown?
Yeah. So Tina went into the cafe at the fuel station and asked, where's the closest place to get fuel? The guy looked at her a bit confused. Said, oh, have you checked the other fuel station in town?
Yeah.
It's literally right next door. So we didn't have to go far. Quick stop for a bite to eat at a local coffee shop in a shed.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Got ourselves a burger and some chips so we can keep the flies away.
Nice healthy lunch.
Yeah. That's what we need. That's what we need on the road, mate.
I know. It's one of those days. One of those days.
Every day is one of those days. Just got to Undara. We got here a lot quicker than expected because the road was actually all sealed, really good coming in. Tina's just in reception, checking where we've got to set up camp, and then tomorrow we'll be checking out the lava tubes here, which is the tour we're going on. Then it'll be off to Cairns.
Alrighty, it's all sorted.
Sorted?
Yeah, we've got dinner booked in.
Oh,
the tour's booked in tomorrow. Bush breakfast.
Cool.
And instructions of how to get to our campsite. We just had ourselves a real bush brekky.
Some bacon, eggs and billy boiling over the fire for the coffees.
Now we're just going for a quick walk to let the stomach settle.
Before we go for a tour of the lava tubes, yeah. Some caves, I guess you'd call it, formed by lava a long time ago. We'll go and check out. which should be pretty interesting. Tell you what, it's pretty peaceful out here. Just the sound of the breeze through the trees and the birds chirping. Well, not really chirping, but kookaburras laughing and
I was gonna
crows
say.
making their noises, but nature.
Yes.
Aussie bird noises. Peaceful all the same. Just arrived at the Lava Tube Park and we've forgotten our torches.
Damn.
Rookie move. That's pretty cool.
The tour was pretty good. It's worth seeing, right?
Yeah, the lava tubes are really interesting. They're like something very different to see.
But it is a shame that you can't explore them by yourselves.
Yeah, they're a restricted area, so the only way to go to see them is on a tour.
And we're thinking about doing a 12-kilometre hike. Thinking about it.
I think we'll do it.
We'll
We'll do a hike. 3.5 k's into our 12.
Yeah.
We've been walking for ages. I thought this walk's pretty easy. It's been flat all the way. I just came to this sign.
Rough terrain with steep sections. We'll see about that.
We'll see about that.
Although it does quite.
It does, yeah, be careful.
It's funny. We're too busy walking up and looking that way.
We forgot
We turn around and have a look at the view.
what we've been climbing up for. What are you doing here with the clapping, baby? You got to explain to the people.
I'm just trying to give snakes some warning.
Yeah? This is
So they can go away. We're
Snake Survival 101.
in snake country now.
Apparently they don't like the noise.
So we've heard.
They're more scared of us than we are of them. Ever since Tina heard that little factoid, whenever we're in the bush, it's clapping time. We went slightly the wrong way. I took the lead. Can't rely on me to pay attention.
I know. I was like, where are we going?
Alright, we're back on track.
It's all sorted.
You no need to call the authorities. We made it to the main lookout of the walk. The Rosella Plains Lookout. We almost missed it because the sign said a different name.
You know me.
I thought it was an extra lookout, so I convinced Tina to come down this way. She didn't want to come. Hey baby.
Look, I just wanted to get to the real lookout, that's all. It wasn't my fault. The sign was wrong.
The sign down there was wrong,
Yeah.
but it turned out to be the real lookout.
And there you go.
Been the longest walk on the
Things
on the map.
hikes.
Yeah.
We've got it to ourselves.
Yep. Nobody else came up here. Which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Now we've just got a short
6-kilometre walk back.
6 k's back.
Nothing to it but to do it. Guess where we're going today.
Cairns! Finally!
I know. I'm so excited.
We'll be more excited when we're on the way back to Cairns after reaching the tip.
Yep. It's still a bit of a daunting, what's the word I'm looking for?
Task.
Daunting task. Yeah.
Yeah.
The more people we speak to about it, the more they look at us and think, you'll never get there on those bikes.
Yeah, go yesterday.
We'll see. We don't know whether we're going to get there,
try.
but we're going to try anyway. Anyway, we're so excited to get to Cairns.
Yeah.
Get some proper internet.
Yeah.
Do some work.
The Outback's been fun.
No, it's been a lot of fun, but
we miss we miss having city facilities, if we're honest.
We're city folk, I guess.
We're city folk. We've become accustomed to certain things
that you get in the city.
So it'll be nice. It'll be nice being in Cairns, having everything at our doorstep.
What's this place called?
Little Mills Creek Falls.
We've just stopped at Little Mills Creek Falls and it's pretty awesome. Stop for a bite to eat, rest the bum, but check it out. Look at that. And these ones are the little ones.
So the whole waterhole.
Sorry, I'll do better filming.
The big picture. Pretty damn cool. Congratulations.
We made it to Cairns.
Made it to Cairns. It's the first bit of coast we've seen since Bells Beach.
Yep.
Oh no, since Warrnambool.
Since
Correction.
Warrnambool, yes.
The end of the Great Ocean Road.
Ah, it feels so good.
Yeah. It's nice. It's the first
I
sort
can
of...
only imagine what it's going to feel like after we get back from the tip.
Yeah, this is like
I feel like we can't really relax yet, but
we can't, but this is like a milestone.
Yeah,
we've
it
done
is.
like
a shitload of kilometers.
but like a good portion of the end to end, like bottom to pretty much the top of Australia.
We found a place to stay. We've decided to
The
ruin our camping streak.
Camping streak is officially coming to an end.
Yeah, it's a hostel, so
but it's like the same price, and the campsite is a little bit far out of Cairns.
It's further out. Well, no, it's in Cairns North.
It's not in as convenient as a location, and the price is pretty much the same as a hostel.
Yeah, so yeah, it was a no-brainer.
What was the official tally for the camping nights?
I think it was 22 nights in a row.
Alright, so over 3 weeks, not bad.
Yeah.
Hello.
Our room.
Our new digs.
Our new shindigs. Look at it.
Slightly larger than the tent.
The view out the window into the tropical oasis. We've got a little room out here where we can work.
The Cairns head office.
Yeah, Cairns head office. Yeah, it's great.
Lovely.
It reminds me of something out of like Indiana Jones. You know? So cool, look at these.
What's the place called?
Traveller's Paradise.
The
and
Traveller's
it really is.
Paradise.
Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah.
And we've even got a fridge.
I know.
Our own fridge.
That's mental. We can get perishable goods.
Yeah.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah, it's got a pool and a kitchen.
That's good.
Luxury. This is it. Get a good one.
Ooh, you did jump.
Let's go. I don't know. Creepy crawling.
It's not a creepy crawly. He's a jumpy wumpy.
Or is this your 4th coffee for today?
Who's counting these things?
I'm counting.
Yeah, the spider hides under a leaf inside the web.
Once they get down in the bottom of the basket, he goes, yeah.
What does he do?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it high.
Okay, keep going. Are we even in there?
Yeah, our heads are. Yours might not be.
That's not great.